Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To start the battery replacement process for your Xiaomi Vacuum S12, you will need the following tools: a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Make sure you have the new battery ready as well. First, turn off the vacuum and disconnect it from the charger. It's crucial to ensure that the device is completely powered down to avoid any accidents. Next, locate the screws that hold the battery compartment in place. You will typically find these screws located at the bottom of the vacuum. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to carefully remove them. As you take out the screws, be mindful of where you place them. It's a good idea to use a small container to hold them, so they don't get lost. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the battery compartment cover. If you encounter any resistance, double-check to make sure all screws have been removed. Now, you may see some dust or debris inside the compartment. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean this area with a soft cloth. Keeping the internal components clean can improve the vacuum's performance in the long run. With the compartment cleared, you can now access the old battery. Disconnect the battery by carefully unplugging the connector. It's important to do this gently to avoid damaging any wires. If you feel unsure about this step, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so don't hesitate to reach out if you need assistance. Once the old battery is disconnected, you can install the new one. Align the connectors properly and push them together until you hear a click. This ensures that the battery is securely connected. After that, place the battery compartment cover back on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Again, it's advisable to keep the screws organized to make reassembly easier. After securing the cover, make sure everything is tightened properly. You don't want any loose parts while the vacuum is in operation. Now, it's time to test the vacuum. Plug it back into the charger and let it charge for a few hours. Once charged, turn it on to see if it operates smoothly with the new battery. If you encounter any issues during this process, remember we also offer pickup and delivery at your home. This means no calls and no travel for you. Just schedule a service, and we'll handle the rest. Lastly, before any repair, we always provide a quote, ensuring transparency in our services. In conclusion, replacing the battery on your Xiaomi Vacuum S12 is a straightforward process if you follow these steps carefully. By maintaining your vacuum, you can extend its life and keep your home clean and tidy. Thank you for watching, and happy cleaning! Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.